Stop overusing the word very, very. Instead, use stronger words to sound more fluent. I replaced weak phrases like very tired with stronger words like exhausted. For example, we can replace very cold with freezing, freezing. Very cold, freezing. Similarly, very happy, overjoyed, overjoyed, overjoyed. Again, very small. Come on, say another word for that. Tiny, correct. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Very good. I practiced these new words in sentences every day. After a week, my speaking sounded more advanced, and people started complimenting me on my word choices. It gave me confidence. Take action now. Replace one very phrase today with a strong word. Drop a comment. What's your sentence? For example, I feel freezing in this weather. Follow me for more vocabulary boosters.